Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about a product from Minwax called Color Wash. Now, for those of you old enough to remember, there was a trend back in the 80s and 90s called pickled cabinetry and pickled oak and whatnot. People were putting these in their kitchens left and right, and that trend went away. But it's kind of coming back when it comes to furniture refinishing. This is actually a faux finish. So let's say that you have a stained item. It could be a dresser, and you want to apply a finish to make it look a little weathered. You could take the drawers off and apply this right over the finish to create a contrasting look. You can also use this on bare wood as well to achieve the same thing. The idea behind color washing is your creativity is the only limitation, and Minwax can help you get there. At Ace, there's 3 different colors that are available. The white, there's a brown, and a gray, depending on your creativity and what you want to go for.